Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I am here to review this very famous Lotus Splash from 82 Degrees. This is a face wash, face cleanser, whatever you want to call it, and I kind of like it, and I'm here to review this product. This particular product, Lotus Splash, contains Lotus, of course, with bioflavonoids. Now both of these ingredients are really good if you are going ahead with your vitamin C. So this is a really great morning cleanser, as well as you can use it at night, but for morning this will work really well. For example, firstly, it has Lotus, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Basically, it's going to calm your skin, which you really feel with this product. Okay, you're gonna feel so calm, because once by mistake, what I did was I applied it and I started brushing my face, and as a 1 minute mask, when I applied it, it felt so good. My skin felt so cool, and yes, I really loved it when I had applied it as 1 minute mask. So what I do generally now these days is, when I wash my face, I keep it on for 1 minute and then I wash it off, and the effects are so good. I generally have a very dry under eye, so it feels very puffy. As soon as I wash myself with this, I feel really good. Okay, and then there is bioflavonoids, which is going to help, you know, with the absorption of vitamin C in your skincare, and I have been following it up with the vitamin C range from this brand called Try Moody, and I have actually seen amazing results with both of these combined. So yeah, I kind of dig this product. I really like it. Okay, the consistency is so gel-like, so lightweight, and it kind of cleanses everything that you want. Okay, it really looks like a moisturizer on your hand and on face as well. When you wash it off, you are left with a very clean skin, but not very dry. It feels moisturizing, and no wonder, because it contains some moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and many others. Okay, so yeah, this is a very nice gentle cleanser, ideal for very sensitive skin type people, dry skin, even combo can use. It has no burning sensation, because around my eyes and around my mouth I've got really sensitive these days, and this was too good for that. Okay, so I really love it, and the fragrance is too good. Only drawback that I see is, of course, the price point, which is 1200. Now that could be really expensive, but given that they are running offers like 40% off or 30% off, I got it on a 40% off, which is of 720 rupees. Okay, and that I think is kind of justifiable. Like, the glass bottle, the packaging, the outer packaging, you must see, it looks phenomenal. The inner packaging is glass. I'm literally scared sometimes. I'll just wave my hand and this will fall off, so I'm really careful with this packaging. Yeah, that could also be a drawback, that packaging is glass, so you have to be really careful. The pump is amazing, and yeah, everything is really good about this product. If you want to experience this once, trust me, you can get it. It's for 720, and I think you get 100 ml of product, which is kind of justified. Okay, given that her other products are 2700 or 2400, I think this one was quite in my range, and I really liked it. And let's see if any other products, if I see certain good reviews about it, I'm definitely gonna try if they are going on a good discount. But if not, then I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, apart from that, it's a really good product. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want more such videos, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do so. And that's all for this video. Bye bye.